Hello, my name is Nikola Ulrich. My business is Minniegootha Catering and I'm based in Kalgoorlie, Western Australia. I've always had a love for cooking and I've watched my brother and my dad and my mum cook and I've just found a love for cooking through them. Well, it all started like just making cakes for like family and like word of mouth, and I think my first big job was the NAIDOC ball in 2019. That was for over 300 people and I was like really nervous, but it went really well. And I love to incorporate bush tucker as well. And that's like one of my main things that pull people to like hire me. The hospitality industry, it's been really good. I did Cert 3 kitchen operations with TAFE. I was like 16 and that really helped me like further my skills.
Just enough, Nikki, like this?
Yeah, just brush it. Oh, a bit more. That's when I like started my business. Getting out there and just working with people have like really increased my like communication skills, because like I'm very shy, but like talking to my clients and my colleagues, it's really helped me open up a bit more and being passionate about what you're doing. And people have been like so engaging and they want to know more about the bush tucker, and it's where I find it and how I collect it and how I incorporate it into my meals. I found so much support, like just being young and Indigenous, just get out there and do it, because so many people are willing to help you and get you started, and it's so rewarding sharing our culture, our stories, our food, and it's such a good industry and it can take you anywhere.